everyone. My name is Leзвana. I'm a teacher here at Saturn English Town. Welcome to day 2 of our 2021 winter school. Today is Science Day. Do you have your workbook and a pencil? Okay, write your name and let's go. So, for Science Day today, we are learning about planets in our solar system. Let's think. What do you know about space? Do you know about stars and planets? Are they the same or are they different? I want you to write down O or X on the table here as we go along, okay? So first one, can stars and planets make light? O or X? Let's see. So stars, like the sun, they can make light, so they twinkle. But planets, like the Earth, they cannot make light, even if they do look shiny. All right, number two. Can stars and planets move around? Hmm. Well, look at the star. This sun. It's not moving, but the earth here is moving around. So that means stars do not move and planets do move. So write it down. And last one, do stars and planets change in color and size? So look here, stars can go from blue to yellow to orange to white. And they get younger, they start really young, like a baby star, and they get older, like a granny star. So yes, stars do change in color and size, but planets don't, okay? Planets usually stay the same. So did you mark O and X in your book? Great. Okay, everyone, let's think about our key words. What do they mean? I want you to listen carefully and in your book, please check, check, check as you go along. First word, it's about the space out there in the universe. Okay, keyword, space. Our next word, look here, it's the solar system. Our solar system is the sun, the planets, and their moon. All right. Next here we have the twinkle twinkle star. Okay, our keyword is star. Next over here we have our planets. You know, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, the dwarf planet. Planets. Okay. Next we have these rocks, big and small. These are asteroids. This is an asteroid, okay? Check it in your book, okay? Check, check, check. Okay, our next keyword. Look, he's got some bags. There's a plane. He's going somewhere. He is traveling. Okay, our keyword is travel. Travel. All right. And look, we have this big teddy bear and this small man. The teddy bear is huge. Our keyword is huge. Okay. And look, we have some fire, the sun. It's very hot. We call this heat. Okay, one more time, heat. And look, it looks like the sun, but it's not the sun. It's very bright. It's light. Our keyword is light. All right. And then we have these people. These people all look the same, but the one in the middle looks extra special. Okay, our keyword is special. Okie dokie. Now we have this little baby. And this plant, they are growing. They have life. Okay, our keyword is life. And look, we have this top. It's moving very fast. It's spinning. Our keyword is spin. Okay, we're done with our keywords. I hope you marked them all over here. And now let's move on to our main topic. Over here, open your workbook. All right, let's travel through space. First, let's meet the sun. Okay, the sun, it is a star. It is very, look how big it is, and look how small the earth is. It's very huge. The sun is in the center of our, do you remember from the keywords? Solar system. This is our solar system. And there are eight in the solar system. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They travel around the sun. If you look here, they are moving all around the sun. The sun makes lots of energy, and we on Earth and other planets get this and this from the sun. We get heat, so we are warm, and we get light from the sun, so we can see. Okie dokie. Now we've learned about the sun. Let's travel to our first planet. Planet number 1 is Mercury. Mercury is the closest to the sun. It also is the smallest, and Mercury has no moons. Okay, so close, far. Mercury is very close. Let's go to our second planet. Our second planet is Venus. It's always cloudy here on Venus. The clouds are like thick blankets, and it's the hottest and the brightest in the solar system. Okay, it's not Mercury, it's Venus. Remember, hot and bright. Okay, let's travel to our third planet, our home, Earth. Earth is our planet. It's very special. Only on Earth there can be life, people. Earth has one moon and we call it the moon. So here's our moon. It goes round and round and round the Earth. Okay. Now let's learn about our fourth planet. Here we go to Mars. Humans could go and study this red planet. There are some mountains and some ice water. So here are some astronauts and scientists. They are looking at Mars and studying. And here are some lakes and ice mountains. Maybe one day we can go to the moon. All right, we have learned about 4 planets and we have 4 more to go. But wait, what's this? This is the asteroid belt. The asteroids are big and small rocks flying in, where are they? In space. You got it. There are many asteroids between Mars and Jupiter. We call it the asteroid belt. So in between 4 and 4 planets, Mars, Jupiter, asteroid belt. Okay. So let's move on to planet number 5. Our 5th planet is Jupiter. Jupiter has many moons. Some are bigger than Earth. Wow! And you can see some stripes here. On Jupiter because it's very fast. Do you remember the key word? It spins very fast. It looks like there are stripes. Okay, and one more fact. There is this giant red spot on Jupiter. It's actually a huge storm. Oh, very dangerous. So we cannot go to Jupiter. Okay, let's go to our sixth planet. It's Saturn. Saturn has many shiny rings like the ones you put on your finger. In each ring, there are some pieces of rocks and ice. Oh, sounds dangerous, right? So look carefully. And it also spins so fast like Jupiter. So Jupiter and Saturn, they both spin very fast. Okay, let's go to our seventh planet. Number seven, Uranus. Uranus has thin rings, but they are very hard to see, and it spins on its side. Okay, so these rings are really, really hard to see, but Saturn's rings are very easy to see. Okay, our last planet for today, number eight, is Neptune. Neptune is the furthest planet from the sun. Very far. It's so cold here. Neptune has a lot of ice, so it looks blue. Ooh, I don't want to go to Neptune. So, everybody, we've traveled through space and learned about eight planets today. Do you remember what they are? Now that your journey has been finished, let's go to the next page and review. So, everybody, write it down and let's check if you got it. And the planets are from the closest to the sun to the furthest to the sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Great job, everyone. And our last task is to match these sentences to the planets. Number one, we've done it for you. Very easy. It's the biggest planet in our solar system, and it has a big red spot, and it's a huge storm. You know already, it's Jupiter. Number two, it is the hottest and the brightest planet. There are thick clouds. Do you know? It's Venus. Good job. Sentence three. It is the closest planet to the sun. It's also the smallest. It's Mercury. Good job. And the last sentence. It's the furthest planet from the sun. There's a lot of ice. You got it. It's Neptune. Okay. Good job, everyone. You are done. So your homework is to be creative. Get your thinking caps on, and on this page, the last page, I want you to think carefully and write or draw something you wish for. Like, I wish I could be rich, or I wish I could have a cake, or a pet, or a Nintendo Switch. All right, write it down. And just before you go, I have a comprehension quiz for you. Are you ready to play? So I want you to show me your hand, this hand, your left hand if it's purple, and your right hand if it's orange. Okay? I will read it to you and show me your hand. There are lots of stars and planets in space or snake. Space, snake. The answer is space. Good job. Next one. It is so dark here. We need some heat or light. What do we need to see? heat, or light. Good job. Next one. A mouse is small. An elephant is huge, or tiny. And the answer is huge. Good job. Next one. Don't kill the ants. They are too. Are they light or white? Light, white. The answer is light. Yes, light. All right. Next one. I went to Jeju Island last winter vacation. I tracked or traveled. I traveled to Jeju Island last winter vacation. All right, that's it, everyone. We are finally done with Science Day. Good job, and see you next time. Bye-bye.